Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making cake bites. I have made cake bites before, cake pops. I love them. They're fun. You can do them in such a variety of ways. And today I am actually trying a different way, one that I have not done before, but I thought would be kind of fun. So these are going to be Sour Patch Kids Candies cake bites. I am starting with a vanilla cake mix, and I'm going to prepare that exactly as it states on the packaging. So I've got a half cup of oil, cup of water, and 3 eggs. I've got a greased baking pan, and I do not need this cake to turn out pretty. I just need it to be cooked properly. I'm going to bake this according to the package instructions at 350 for approximately 30 minutes. Once your cake has cooked and has cooled, just throw it in the bowl. It's okay that it falls apart because it's going to anyway. We're going to mix it all up. I'm actually just going to go ahead and basically crumble this up with my hand. Don't want huge pieces. Then I am adding 1 full container of frosting. Now, you can use any cake mix that you wish, any flavor. You could use any flavor of frosting that you wish too. So if you would like to do chocolate cake and chocolate frosting, or maybe orange cake and chocolate frosting, that might be good. I haven't tried that yet. And then just mix this all around. Now, as I said, I am making these with Sour Patch Kids. I've cut my kids in half here so that they'll spread a little more evenly throughout the cake bites. I'm just going to mix all that together. And you could use chocolate chips or peanut butter chips or M&Ms. Really, you could use whatever I think that you would want to use. These make such a really, really good treat, and they are so simple to do. You can also make these whatever size you want. I'm actually going to use this cookie dough scoop and make them about cookie dough scoop size. Then I'm just going to line them along my mat. That one's a little bigger. I'm going to line them all along my mat until I get through this entire batch of dough. Now I am going to put these in the freezer for probably 30 minutes, maybe a little longer. I need them to get nice and hard because then I'm going to melt some of this candy melts. I'm doing red and I may do some white because I don't know if this will be enough for all of these. And I'm going to coat them in chocolate. Well, candy melt chocolate. My cake bites have been in the freezer for a little bit. They're nice and hard. Just melt your melting chocolate according to the package instructions. And then roll the balls in the chocolate. And I'm using a fork, which I am never good at rolling these things in chocolate or candy melt or whatever. Just don't coat the way I think they should. So I decided to use 2 forks, and I still am having struggles. I'm going to finish these up, and once they are all done, I'm going to plate up a few, and I'll show you what they look like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!